One of the biggest questions we get during an inspection is, how do you find a plumbing leak if you can't see all the pipes? And the answer is, we're not just looking for the pipes, we're really looking for the evidence that water leaves behind. So the first thing we'll use is a thermal imaging camera. Water changes the temperature of the materials around it, so a leak can sometimes create this temperature difference inside a wall, ceiling, or floor. A cold spot doesn't automatically mean there's a leak, but it does tell us that we need to investigate this issue further, and that's where a moisture meter comes in. A thermal imaging camera helps us find unusual areas, and the moisture meter helps us confirm whether there's actually elevated moisture. Neither tool gives us the full answer by itself. The important part is knowing what normal looks like and recognizing when something just doesn't add up. We also inspect the plumbing fixtures themselves. A loose faucet, a loose shower head might not seem like a big deal, but movement eventually can create damaged connections behind the wall and create a leak. Then we check visible plumbing. Mineral buildup around the supply lines, corrosion, or staining on the drain pipes can all be warning signs of slow leaks. Another thing we'll check out is the water meter. So with everything turned off, the water meter should be still. If it's still moving, that means water is being used somewhere. Sometimes it's a simple leak like a running toilet. Other times it can point to a hidden leak that may require further investigation. Finally, we look for clues that water leaves behind. Stains, damaged cabinets, bubbling drywall, warped flooring, unusual odors all tell a story even when a leak is hidden. So while we can't see every pipe that's inside a home, we can use tools, experience, and evidence available to determine if there's a reason for concern.